Hi creators! Today we're unlocking TinkerCAD's shape generator to take your 3D designs to the next level. Here's our work plan. When you go right, there's a drop-down menu. You can select shape generators. And then there are many different options to choose from. You have cylinders and text and all sorts of things. I'm going to drag in a hyperboloid. Here we can see that there are many things that we can change, such as the height, the outer radius, the inner radius, and the number of sides. All of these give it a different look. You can change as many dimensions and customs as you want, and you can make this look whatever you want it to be. I'll drag the cylinder in. This is called an extrusion, and you can change many aspects of it. You can change where the lines go, and there are many different points you can drag to place lines. You can also shift how it looks by changing the slope of these lines, and you can do many different things. Now I'm going to drag in a propeller, and here you can change the angle, the number of blades, and the length of the propeller blades. Shape generators offer unlimited creativity for your designs. You can change basically any aspect of any part you want. You can rotate it. You can change the height of this. You can even change the dimensions still to add your own touch to it, such as here with the spherical shell. I can attach it, and you can also make your own designs with it, such as if we wanted to make like an object right now, such as like an airplane. We can add these cylinders on the side, and we can drag them to make them look more like a propeller blade or wings. By using shape generators, it can really up your game for your creativity skills in TinkerCAD. We can add a propeller in. By using shape generators, we can make it smaller first so it fits, and then change the length of the blades, the sides, and the angle. We can personalize the plane to your own liking. There are also options for text, such as curved text or text that wraps around an object. Shape generators can really help your design be more personalized. With the curved text, you can fit text onto basically any surface now. Here, there are also more shape generators, such as states. You can put your own state in, such as New York here. You can choose the height. You can place in any state you want. For shape generators, the possibilities are endless. And there you have it. Shape generators are the key to next level TinkerCAD design. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more 3D design hacks, and drop a comment on what crazy shapes you'll be making next. See you in the next one!